Hey guys, Brody here with Squids Pressure Washing LLC, Kansas City's highest rated exterior cleaning company and a veteran-owned business. At this point, we are an Angie's List Super Service Award winner. We are a member of the Better Business Bureau and the Northland Chamber of Commerce, as well as being a Home Advisor top rated pro and elite service, and a couple other things in there. Now, no matter what your feelings are about Home Advisor, we love it. You may hate it. Teach their own. But today's video is actually about why some of you may be stuck in your pressure washing or window cleaning business or exterior cleaning business, gutters, windows, or business in general. This may be a little bit of a ramble. I hope you guys like my microphone. I had to tiny spring clip it here to my seat belt because my other clip broke. But while you may be stuck in business, and it was a problem for me for a long time, especially when I worked in finance. I wanted everything to be perfect. I wanted my email templates to be perfect, professionally done, designed well. I wanted my pricing card to be perfect when I first started pressure washing, so I tried to have one designed, and it was just clunky and it didn't look great, and I drug my feet on it for a long time, rather than just getting into the word processor on my Mac and just typing one up and throwing a logo at the top. And I think we want everything to be perfect because it shows a professionalism that you don't really get from the fly-by-night guys, the guys that just have a Troy built from Lowe's and a expandable garden hose tossed into the bed of their truck, you know. I call him the thumbtack guy, the unlicensed, no background checks, the guy that shows up in wife beater and flip-flops, a tank top and flip-flops, the tank top that's an undershirt, if you're not familiar with the slang wife beater. But that guy is out there hustling a lot of times, and he's taking action, and we get mad at that guy because he's the $99 guy, and ultimately he's going about business the wrong way from the outside looking in, but he's taking action. So I think in order to get unstuck, whatever ideas you have about growing your business or expanding your marketing material, whatever it is, just start with something and build on it. So if you want to design a flyer or you want to design a door hanger, my personal opinion is simple is best anyways. So I would get on Vistaprint and create a door hanger that has a white background and red letters and nothing else, and tell people exactly what I do. I wash houses, I clean gutters, you may wash windows. This is how you can get in touch with me. This is how I can help you. So you want to, typically when people are looking for a service professional, they want to trust them, which comes with time and comes with the reviews and comes with building a brand presence in your area. But if you're new, or if you're even established and the phone has stopped ringing, you're a little bit stuck, start small. I can't remember the quote. It's like the perfect plan never materializes. Anyway, you guys know I'm not, I can't even think of it. I'm not a great orator, but I think you should get on Vistaprint, and I think you should make the most basic door hanger you can. If you have previous customers, you have a market right in front of you that you're not tapping into. if you're not checking back in with your customers once a year with an email or phone call, you are making a tremendous mistake. But go back to those customers with your super basic, super simple door hanger and put them in their neighborhood. So when you guys do marketing materials, it doesn't have to be perfect, but what it needs is a call to action. So call now, schedule today, something of that nature, and it needs to tell them how you can help them save their weekend or knock a project off their list with very little work from them. You're going to make it super easy for them. But a call to action, how you can help them, how they can get in touch with you, and what they get by getting in touch with you by today or by June 8th, 2018. And you got to be firm with your deadlines, your expirations. If somebody calls after that, you had the deadline out there for a reason. You were trying to get people to call by a certain amount of time. And at this point, who knows? Maybe you are scheduled to the gills with the people that called on time. You need to be firm with the deadline, I think. So stop trying to make everything perfect. Just start. Baby steps. If you got to sketch one out on a yellow pad and then take it to the word processor, a marketing document, or even a checklist for your guys on how to improve your process, if you've been waiting to get one professionally made and laminated, just stop. Type one up, draw little check boxes next to the line items, make a bunch of copies, put one on a clipboard, put it in the truck. Start there and let that evolve. Improve on that. Because if you're trying to do everything perfect from the beginning, you're going to want to change it over time anyways. And you're going to waste a lot of time when you should be out there talking to people and making connections and cleaning stuff, really. So you can make some money and you can help some folks in your community love their outdoor space again with very little effort on their part. So thanks for watching. Short clip. I'm testing out the mic. I'm testing out a camera holder. I'm still using my iPhone. So if you guys have any suggestions on good cameras that I can use, I can dash mount that won't be so shaky, I'd love to hear it. Please leave it in the comments. Also, if you like the channel, there's going to be a lot more business stuff on the channel rather than how-to / shop advice. And there's going to be some more to do with pressure washing and gutter cleaning techniques and detergents. And I think the next one I'm going to show you guys what test spot bottles I keep on the truck at all times. So just a little hint, that is about 5 to 7 bottles of the different cleaners that we use on a regular basis that if we get to a project and something's a little strange, we're not sure what it is, we'll do little quarter-size test spots or 2-inch by 2-inch test spots in hidden areas to see which cleaner is going to work best. It answers a lot of questions in about 10 minutes, and it gets you set up to do the job efficiently and in a professional manner. So again, if you like, subscribe. If you like the video itself, hit that thumbs up and get ready for some more business and technique-based content. Thanks.